What up, what up, what up? Morning, morning. Let's get this all on. And when oh, do. Alright, it's looking good over here. Where the fuck is... There we go. Alright, lovely, lovely. Morning, morning, everyone. Let's get on in. I'll do an Instagram. And we'll get this John. What a squad, we are live on YouTube right now. Look at GJ over here. GJ seems to be rejecting, so let's go see if we can buy this. Not buy this, sell this bitch. Morning, everyone. So let's just get it all up here. Good morning, good morning. How is everyone doing? Okay, nice. So welcome to the London live stream on a Wednesday. We are live. Wow, yesterday was an interesting day. Let's just say that. Oh my god, it was a very interesting day. Right, okay, so let's take a look over here. Nice, we're looking good. Okay, amazing. So, welcome, morning. I'm looking at GJ over here. Oof, look at this rejection on these highs over here. Damn. This is looking pretty juicy, so let's just start from the highs over here. Just get rid of this. So yeah, we're gonna be breaking down all of these pairs just in a second. Just need to get this on 1 second. So let's just take a look at some news. We're all right for news, I think. We just passed the news, so the news happened at 7 AM, which is great. So now we are free for our thing. We have a HPI at 9:30, but that's fine. That's only when we finish. So we're good. We're good. Make sure you like that stream, guys. Get it all started. Put it on the recommended page. Let me just get all this ready. So the Zoom link for people. Let me just copy this. Something. Morning. We're just waiting patiently 1 second. Just need to do some certain things. Right. Giovanni is in the room. Okay. Amazing. So what we are doing over here, let's just get this enable wait and room off. Okay. So let's just start with GJ over here. So GJ yesterday rejected these highs, faked out on the daily time frame. Wow, huge. And we actually just kind of skipped this whole crap. So I'm kind of happy about that. You can see already. Good morning, Giovanni. Morning. So you can see we've actually skipped all of this bullshit, which is kind of good. I kind of wanted this. So let's look at the daily time frame over here. Daily time frame, horizontal line. We have as bearish already. It's already made its top wick, which is interesting. The 4 hour over here is slightly bullish. The last one was bullish. it's kind of made a little bullish support, which is a bit annoying. Right here. That's the 4. Oh shit. This is the 4-hour flip. There we go. Flip. Okay, amazing. So now we've got our zones over here. You can kind of see this zone, so the daily flip and the 4-hour. I kind of want to stay away from this zone at that point. Rejection and week has turned bearish. Yes, let's have a look at this week. Ooh, yeah, we've exceeded the low of the previous. Look at the last one. The last wiki was a doji candle. Wow. So yeah, we have actually rejected these highs over here. So let's just break this down on the lower time frames over here. So you can see, let's look at the 30-minute, that we do have a support formed right at this level over here, 15240, which we've held at 6 AM. We tried to push down to break it. We couldn't close below. And now it is up. So at this point, very, very easy range for GJ at this time. We've got buys above here, 151,500, which will be good because you'll also see that the 4-hour will be below the price, and the daily will be below the price. So here you could take buys because both time frames will be bullish, which is what I like. And then below here, so 151,246 is what we're looking for sells. So here, buys above 151.5. So it's good. It's good. It's nice price action down here because we finally escaped that fucking range. Even though it was the way I didn't think we were gonna escape, but we did. It just nuked down yesterday. Like, holy shit. Make sure to like the stream, guys. Get that bitch liked up because we can find some new people in the audience. That'll be pretty fun. So yeah, make sure to like the stream, guys. Let's just get rid of the trades call from yesterday. That trade on GA, by the way, that we paper trade, ran 20 pips, so that was pretty good. Another GA trade. I'm very, very tempted to use that very soon. Let me just do this on here. Why can't I use the fucking screen here? Why can't I use the screen on Zoom? There we go. There we go. Nice. So I'll move this here. Cool, wicked. So yeah, really, really solid play for GJ at this point. So let's just look over here. Let's just right over here. Sells below. And yeah, guys, I think in the next 2 weeks or so we will hit 1,000 subscribers, which would be a big milestone for the first two months, I think. So it sells below 151 at 230, amazing. So we've got our little zones here. For me, look at this price action. We need to be waiting for some solid closures at this time, and then we can just chill. So let's just check on some charts in Discord. Hopefully people have done this the same for me. Okay, so Slime Water USD CAD 50-minute closure for sells. Yep, below that sounds good. It looks like it has made support on there though, so be very, very careful. But yeah, as long as you get a closure below, back in this range, it should fill up this range over here. So at the moment it's playing around in this range over here, from here to here. If we do get a closure below like this, then we should fill up this range. So beautiful. 26 viewers in the stream. Amazing. So let's have a look over here at Sothax as well. So previous resistance, yep. Sells with closure, yep. And 20 pip, yeah. So let me just mark out where our zones will be if we break above and below, because that gets us a good recommendation. Morning, Steven. Your chart looks different than mine on 4-hour. I guess Oanda and FXM difference. Yeah, I mean, it's only a little bit different. But yeah, it's not too bad. Wow, 10 likes already, guys. Amazing. You're smashing it. So, yeah, so make sure to join the Discord, guys. You can help out here Bro, are you a funded trader? No, actually, well, like I kind of was, but like I'll show you the way I did it, and it actually works very, very well. Basically, what I did, I'm actually gonna do an episode about that on Fun and Talent, because Fun and Talent, do you see their statement they came out with? The statement they came out with, they basically said that we aren't really gonna fund you in live accounts, all gonna be demos, and I kind of already got that vibe. So what I did was I used my knowledge and kind of just my common sense and the payouts. I just held all the payouts and whacked them in alive. I did that for 7 months because I knew I was profitable, and then I had a big account with my own money in it now. So that's kind of how I used it. If you don't have that much equity at the start, but I'll do a video on that. Yeah, I might film that today actually. Bro, you watched the game yesterday between Man U and Young Boys. It's lucky that I'm poor, so I can't afford a new TV. Otherwise, I would already my screen after that game. Oh my god, that game. What broker did you use? So for the funding, I use Fun and Talent, and now I use IC Markets. So look at this 50 minutes. Whoo! Are you bearish today? Do you high time frame? Yeah, I'm bearish today. We're looking good. Look at the daily. We're looking nice over here. Look at this rejection. Look at this. Wow, I like this rejection candle. So still got 30 minutes of the hourly. But towards the zone over here, I'm going to be looking for sells. It's going to be looking pretty good. Kind of want to. I want to try these lines over here. I quite like putting the lines on. This is where I'm looking for targets, and not targets for entries. So let me just. What new color can I do? I quite like this. Yeah, pink line I like. How much time should we trade a small live account before jumping into a funded account? So much so that, you know, like the first like 3 months you're profitable every month, probably. Oh, nice gold. Let's have a look at gold over here. So let's start from the higher time frames again, as usual. Wow, 14 likes on the stream, guys. Make sure you spam that like button. It takes 10 seconds. It just helped me out a lot. And also, if you haven't subscribed already, if you're new to the channel, that'd be pretty sick. Ooh, so for me, guys, I mean, sells on GJ, not on GJ, and gold could be quite hard over here. So let's just take a look. I'm actually gonna write these all out nicely. Aaron has subscribed, I think, to the channel. Nice, amazing. I'll shut that out when it comes on there, but I got a notification on my phone. Yeah, as you can see, relaxing. I mean, sells and gold over here would be against the higher time frame of being very, very bullish. You can see both days have been pretty bullish. But let's just take a look over here. So you've got the daily flip, the 4-hour flip. Let's have a look on lower time frames. Nah, as you can see over here, for me, it's kind of just pulling back. Yeah, and we can see at this zone right here, we have kind of support, which is where we're tapped. I'm looking at this from this price action over here, and you can see we are just kind of relaxing. Look at the higher time frames. The 4 hours just pissing about. And look at the daily. The daily's making a lower wick to then continue. So for me, buys are going to be quite valid later on. And where am I going to get buys? For me, probably at these highs, 1807, just 60 pips away. You could potentially get them above this zone over here, so above this resistance, but quite choppy. So actually here, if you look at the 30-minute time frame, this is where I want to be looking for some buys. Oh, I think this is it. Thank you, Aaron, for subscribing to the channel. Amazing, guys, amazing. We're so close to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get that up. Yeah, let's just do this again. I quite like the pink line there. It's quite cool. So yeah, buys above 1806 are going to be looking pretty good. For sells, I mean, ooh, it's quite hard for me, to be honest. Quite hard for me. If you do get a closure, I mean, probably back in here. So 1799. So if you get a closure, so imagine if this comes up and then like this, then we could potentially wait a top wick and then fill at this range back down to these zones over here. That is a potential. Good morning, good morning. Oh, let me just make some more. I checked now. Max is a wonder, thanks bud. I'm gonna make some more of you guys admins who I like. So here, But yeah, the funded stuff, I'm gonna make a video on that. That's gonna really help. Yes, a daily close strong bullish above the resistance. I don't feel comfortable at all taking sells. It needs really great news on USD to correct that bullish move. Yeah, facts, bro. I mean, I fucking caught a gold sell yesterday, and that shit slapped. Just before news, actually. Morning, Luco. Morning. So yeah, for me, gold, I'm not going to be taking any sells at this point because of the daily, how strong it closed. For me, nope. Let's just take a look at GJ over here. So we got a strong 30-minute closure at this point. Oof, nice. So you can see these candles are rejecting these highs over here, what I like. So if we do start getting some sells, where are we going to go? So let's have a look left over here. You can see our next kind of support is over here, so 177, which isn't the best. Let me have a look at 30-minute time frame over here. So you can see, yeah, 160 zone, 177 is a minor support. So if we do get sells at that point, my stops will be break even because this is a support. You can see here as well. Furthermore, we have a kind of sell zone right down to here, which is pretty decent. So looking at this is made support, this is a kind of resistance area, and then we made support down here. So these are kind of our little ranges we can play in. But yeah, we just need to chill over here for GJ. GJ at the moment, oh my god, I mean I think past 2 weeks, bro, fucking hell, be pain in the ass. Last night we got slipped out on the GJ buy, which is so annoying. I think, where was it? It was his closure somewhere on the 15. Yeah, it's one of these candles. I think it was this one here, the 12 o'clock candle. Pushed down, made a lower wick, and then wanted to flip. Came up here, tapped me in the spread for some reason, and then yeah, melted down. Didn't even flip it once. So that's why you always wait for the flips of the candles. If you guys are new here, make sure to say hi in the chat and welcome yourselves. Oh, my nose is so itchy in the morning. I don't know fucking why. Yeah, so you have to wait with gold over here. Just chill. Yo, morning. So let's take a look at GBP AUD again, because we're always back testing this at the moment. Oh wow, look at this already. So you can see the daily time frame just flipped bullish over here. So it's looking pretty good. So we got the daily flip, the 4 hour. It's making support. Wow, it's made a low wick on the 4 hour as well, so that's pretty good. Looking pretty decent over here. So let's take a look at the lower time frames now. Look at this. Ooh, nice strong candles. How much is that just ran off there? 7 AM. Oh my god. So we do have a resistance at the zone over here. So if you get a buys at that point above here, so let's take a look at the 30-minute. Yeah, 30-minute breaking back into zone at 742 would have been pretty decent. So 742, I probably would have stops below the current handle, so 570. That would have been pretty good. Buys never made sense at yesterday. It always reverses after news. Saw this happening the 5th time in a row now in 2 months. Took a loss but learned finally. Yeah, I mean, stay away from the news, man. I mean, sometimes it works, but you know, if you're doing buy stops and sell stops, I'd only keep one on. I'd keep like a buy stop and a sell stop. Try and predict kind of what it would be, because if you get two, then like you wicks one out and then you get fucking trashed in the other. Like, no, not for me. Last week's bull movement on GJ was just higher time retracement. That's why we got sells yesterday. That's right, yes sir. Oh wow, 37 views at 7:30. Damn. Gold's still chilling here. GA, I'm looking for buys above the zone. Buys above 1.8. 8915. So we're going to be looking good for that. And yeah, we'll see GJ over here. Nice strong bearish candles though. I'm I'm liking that hourly pulling all the way up here and going nope. Pretty decent, pretty decent. Oh, got my nose, man. Here is my plan. Let's have a look at Taean over here. Nice. Not Taean, Jayan. Why do I keep on saying Taean? I read J with a T. Let me just do this over here. But yeah, I'm gonna check Discord in a sec. So I hope guys have sent some charts. Oh, fuck off. So GJ in a, yeah, it says descending, which is good. Rejection, so heavy rejection from weak resistance. Yesterday's close below previous day candles. Okay. Rejection from daily resistance and Asian high, creating a lower high and a lower low. Yep, looking for 30-minute closure below 4-hour support. No impulse as that strong 4-hour support level. Amazing. Sounds beautiful. Sounds beautiful over here. So earlier entries, I mean, ooh, could be pretty potential now, I'm not gonna lie. Rejected them highs again, should continue down. Let's wait 8 minutes. 37 viewers. Jeez, like the stream, man. Yeah, guys, like that stream, like that bitch. Yesterday we got the most liked stream. It was 82 viewers, 82 likes, I think, which is pretty fire. So yeah, make sure you like that boy. Today I've got cups of tea. I don't even have coffee anymore. It's actually cups of tea. I'm trying, you know. I normally like tea, but coffee, but you know. You breaking up, brother? Ooh, am I breaking up on Zoom? Let me take some stuff off 1 second there. I think I'm alright, bro. I think. Check your internet, my boy. I think mine's okay. But you can see here we are coming down over there at this point. Let's look at the 30-minute. Oof. If we get a solid 50-minute closure below here, I mean, oof, it's gonna be looking pretty good. Like right here, that'll be looking pretty nice for me. That's some dark tea. Really? You know I'm gonna have it that dark? Fuck. I think I'm just having like strong shit. I entered to sell at 152.36 when 30-minute pull back to form a top work as I see it rejects this level hard. Do you mean 151.36 or 152? I think you mean 151. Tea over coffee all day. Nah, I do like coffee, but like sometimes I need to change up. I feel like if I have too much coffee, I feel like my breath just fucking like just feels fairy, like oh. So you can see through Asian over here, not much movement really. Trying to see if you could get in anywhere. Quite choppy, so not too bad, not too bad. 151.36, nice. The best sells are below 151 flat. Let's take a look over here. So 151 flat is over here. Yeah, you can see rejection zones over here. Come back down. Oh, I hope we don't have to come back all the way down here, bro. No. I want to put this on here. Yeah, that's good. This is a bit better. I'm looking because I want resistances here and then supports here. Not too bad. But with some volume over here and like the past volume, damn, we should be good. 41 viewers in the stream, jeez. Yeah, guys, smash that subscribe button because we are so close to 1,000 subscribers now. So we're on the home straight. Subscribe that bitch. Let's check if Carlbot is working today. Carlbot, are you fucking not working? Carlbot, I swear to God. Let me just fucking. I'll just do it. Carlbot, you little shitbag. Sometimes my guy just doesn't want to work. So now here is the link, and let me just get the link. Share. Lovely. So let's have a look for charts for the stream. Let's go. Let's take a look. I'm still waiting for. I'm waiting for the same thing here. My bias on USD CAD bullish. The only thing that's stopping me from buying is that 4-hour bearish close. Yeah, very, very true. That big 4-hour close over here. Let's take a look then. Buys above here, 1806 for gold at this point. Nice. Okay. Sells below here, 1802. Okay, yeah, sounds good. I think 1802 is a big solid support level. So make sure you wait until you get the closure below. We should be good. Amazing. Nathan Duffy, good morning guys. GU looks clean for a push to upside daily and 4-hour flip bullish. Okay, let me check GU for you. You can see here GJ is also flipping at the 4-hour at this time. But for me, I want to wait. What the fuck? Why? Oh yeah, my bias is over here. Yeah, that's fine. Let's take a look at GBP/USD over here. Let's hit subscribe and join the chat. Yes, sir. Yeah, so if you guys new here, when you subscribe, you're automatically entered in the giveaway. It's the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and it is the magic keys. I think I'm gonna give 2 or 3 away, or maybe 4, maybe 5. I don't know. What the fuck? The 4-hour and the daily are the same line. Yep, sure are. Holy shit. So it's really reacting off the zone over here. Let's have a look. So 30-minute, you can see that we do have a certain support right here. Let's look at the 15. Let's look at the hourly. Yeah, so you can see the hourly support is also the 30 support. So this is where I'll be looking for sells. Back down at these zones over here. On which time frame do you draw your support and resistance? Normally on the 30, I'd say. And then when I'm looking more to enter, I'll also take into fact the 15. Yes, lovely. So look at this over here, guys. A closure. What time did this happen? Closure above. Now these candles should be ascending, which is nice. They are flipped to 4-hour, which is looking good. And we should theoretically continue. We have a little minor resistance at this point. So first TP would have been here. And this comes to the fact that we've got supports over here and resistances. So this is the next, you know, the end of the zone over here. So we'll have to see at that point if we do get a break above. If we get a break above, then we should be continuing back up to these highs, which is the next zone. So zone to zone, we've got one zone here, like here, and we've got another up here, and then another up here. So yeah, zone to zone, normally fill up a zone if you close in the next zone. We had some positive news for GBP this morning. Yeah, I think it didn't. So if you look over here, let's take a look. Did it actually change anything though? Let's take a look over here. So it came out at 7 o'clock, so pushed up over here, so a big spike, and then was like, nope. So yeah, normally news, I mean, if you learn about news at university, it's just about that we have an efficient market, and when news comes out, it's very efficient. And normally what happens with price is, so efficient means that no one really knows about it before, and what happens is that price will, you know, absorb it straight away, and then normally, on average, and not every time, but if it's like not that important, it will just come back, because it's kind of just pricing it in and going, right, does this really matter that much? And if it doesn't, then, you know, and you can see our news over here, you know, it's very similar to what they expected on forecast, so it doesn't really matter. GP AUD over here chilling. Look, this hourly, yeah, it's not too bad. For GU made that wick, I managed to get 13 pips on it, so next trade looking for some solid, so I don't end up in a loss today. Yes, very, very true. Oh wow, according to forecast of British financial markets, we expect to see a change in interest rates. Oh, that'll be very interesting, holy fuck. That'll be some mad news. Yeah, but be careful with the news, as you see, I think you saw Mr. Raja take a big loss yesterday on news, holy shit. 27 likes, guys, amazing. Let's keep on spamming that like button. I think we're on 850 subscribers as well, which is pretty decent. I think we've got 150 left for the subscriber count. And then we're done. Which is pretty good. So yeah, keep on liking that button. Gets new members in, it's pretty cool. And the more members we get, the more guests we can get on and all that good stuff. So it has all of its benefits to like the stream for sure. Ooh, look at this GBP/USD is flying over here. Look at that 4 hour coming up back over here. I mean, I tell you what, I can't wait to just get rid of this fucking rangy crap. Let's take a look at where GJ is now. So the reason why I like GJ for sells later on is because look at this. The daily closed below all of these wicks over here. So now we theoretically should come back to the next support, which is down over here, 150 and 150.8 for the daily time frame. But these 4 hours are making support. You can see though over here, I'll be looking for kind of buys when we escape and pass these zones here. Big resistance zones. The reason I say they're big is because this is the 4 hour chart. 4 hour rejecting these highs over here again and again and again. So what we're going to do here, we could reject. So for me, I kind of want to wait for confirmation we're going to leave up. And that's why we've got buys above 151510. For buys, risky. Would you consider 30-minute close above 400? Those stops would have to be under the range. Yeah, I mean, 400 would also still make the daily bearish. So kind of when you want to look when the daily is bullish over here. After I saw that loss on Raja, I swear I never trade the news again. He made some good money trading with the news before, but I think yesterday trade wiped out all of his profits trading from news. Yeah, that's what I thought. Very, very true. I don't know why he put a fucking 50 lot on. Maybe like a 5 lot or some shit. But holy fuck. For Raja, that loss was nothing. He got like a 50 grand loss that day. Because he was already 10 grand down, I saw. And then he got a 40 grand loss on the thing. Also, guys, when you are free, make sure you check out Ted's stories today. He did some really, really good good stories about gold, which is good. 29 likes. Sheesh, we're doing well. We're doing well. 24 likes, 44 viewers. So yeah, we're still waiting over here for the closures and stuff. Yeah, and the US dollar over here, GBP/USD is going to close in 11 minutes time, back in that range. That'll be quite interesting. What's Ted's IG? Silent in the markets. I'll show you. Also, I'm going to be doing a review today on the pre-market fuel, which is fire. I actually put it in my thing today. It's so good. I might get another one actually. Tastes unreal. So really fire. And actually, it gave me like adrenaline, bit of energy. Yeah, I really, really liked it. So make sure you check them out. Pre-market fuel on Instagram. But yeah, I'm gonna do a video on that today. So yeah, this is Ted. So he's got lots of stories about basically gold. What the fuck? Oh, that's a nice entry over here. But yeah, that's Ted. We were having conversations yesterday. Where was he? There, yeah, here. I mean, I'm not gonna read them, but anyway. But yeah. So, I read Ted's story, coupled with some ICT studies, and you'll understand that low high of the week usually forms around Tuesday. Yeah, He's always been saying that for ages. ICT is the holy grail of technicals. It's hectic. Who's ICT? I just knew ICT is like ICT class in school. Absolutely true, man. That amount is yearly salary for a lot of people in my country. Yeah, it's double their salary normally in my country. And that's dollars though, isn't it? It's not in pounds. Wow, look at that strong structure over here. So we're actually starting to come up. Look at this closure that we just got. Actually, I should have seen this. It's half past 7. Looking pretty good now for some continued buys over here. Let's have a look. Yeah, so 9 minutes time for this hourly. Let's see. So now, you know, as long as you flip the daily, then the 4 hours will be continuing over here, which is good. 33 likes before 8 o'clock. Jeez, make sure you bash that like button, guys. Let me just whack these into more Discord over here. So yeah, goal over here, just chilling, to be honest. We need to wait some kind of confirmation we're going to be heading down or up, to be honest. It's kind of just chilling, and especially with that daily structure over here. Damn, son. Yeah, Ted was talking about this. So 30-minute closing down and 30-minute closing back up. Oh, that was nice. That was the move you should have taken. Ooh, 85 pips. 85 pips, delicious. But yeah, I saw yesterday's match. I saw Ronaldo's like pen kind of thing. I don't know if it was a pen. I think he went down a bit too early. If he just kind of just shot, he probably would have scored anyway. So I don't know why he did that. I don't know why I did that, boy. Yeah, let's focus on GG over here. Look at the 4 hour. Yeah. Thing is though, look at the 5 minute. It's kind of struggling. 35 likes in the chat. Jeez. So I'm going to be doing a YouTube video, I think, today. Probably about funded talent. And basically how you can use it if you're leveraging it. And you can do the maths and how much, you know, if you have a normal account, is there a reason to use funded talent? But sometimes there is, as long as you like know how to trade properly. It just leverages how much money you can make. So. So the hourlies exceed the high. The previous hasn't exceeded the low. So starting to give some bullish tendencies over here. This daily though, the daily needs to flip bullish for me. Can you see? Look at these clean candles on the daily from here to here. Damn, flew down. 51 on the stream in the morning. Amazing stuff. Yeah, so now we can just chill. So yeah, I'm also going to be doing a lot of Instagram things, I think, today. It's going to be pretty fire. Pretty fire. Max, it's inner circle trading, all about imbalances and bust stems and higher time frames, but they use so many abbreviations, it would take 3 years just to learn that. What do you mean inner circle trading? Bro, you trying to get into like what's it called, institutional trading? You're far gone, I'm telling you. Yeah, the reason why they use all these abbreviations is so you guys can't fucking learn it. one of my dad's mates is a hedge fund owner, and it's pretty like confidential and shit. And he speaks like fucking Chinese. He's Swedish as well, so languages as well. They can speak in different languages. You know, there's no way you can really get into that. His course, whose course? I used TED Stories. Actually, true, man. That's a year's salary. His course is almost a year long. I'm telling you, check out City Traders Imperium for Footing. That's the one they are copying. City traders. Bro, can you do a YouTube video about 10 pips per day is enough? Yes, sure thing. Do you not get it? Because I'll happily do that. There's an example. I mean, there's an example on TEDs over here. I mean, I can explain it in a long term, but and I will do a video on it. But the whole kind of gist is about percentages. It's about it's about percentages. So if you look at TED here, TED kind of just gave you a little idea of gold over here. So look, we can buy here, but remember you can't buy here. Look at this over here. Let me just try and hold this. Yeah. So he's saying kind of wait in this zone, and then he said, look, if you go back, where is it? Yeah, so stop losses here. Can you see how tight his stop losses are? So TED uses tight stop losses, 10, 15 pips. So if he risks 1% on that trade and he's got a 10 pip stop, and then he runs to 100 pips, he's just made 10%. Okay. Someone who took a 100 pip stop here. So for example, if someone took an entry right there, but also had his stop loss at 890 over here, that is an 100 pip stop. Therefore, their gain is only 1% if it hits 100 pips. It's all about the percentages. So don't get worked up on people making 100 pips, 1,000 pips. It's all about the percentages. How much they're risking on their stop loss is what you need to be worried about. Because stop loss matters, right? Stop loss matters. If you have a 10 pip stop and you get a 10 pip gain and you risk 1%, you've gained 1%. If you have a 50 pip stop loss and a 50 pip gain, you still made 1%. Okay, so the whole process of pips is not a good terminology because it's dependent on how much you risk on those pips. Okay, if someone has a 5 pip stop and risked 2% on it and made 20 pips, they've just made 8%. Okay. Once you understand that with percentage, it really doesn't matter how many pips you catch. Exactly. So for example, if I take 2 10 pip trades a day and I risk 1.4%, I've just made 2.8% on those 2 trades. Someone who had a 100 pip gain but only had a 50 pip stop has done the same as me, or even less than me, but they had to be in the trade for a long time. And yeah, because they said they've made 100 pips, it looks more fancy, but actually they only made this, they only made 2%. So it's all the same. All these guys in IG talking about making 4,000 pips weekly. Yeah, exactly. Maybe they did make 4,000 pips, but they also risk 6,000 pips. You know what I mean? It just depends. It's so, stop looking at the pips. The pips is not going to get you far. So look at gold over here. We actually are coming down. Nice. Beautiful. So I mean, to be fair, I don't like the traffic towards the left over here. So you can see there's a little minor support. And because the daily closing so bullish for me, I think buys are going to be beautiful when we start exceeding 1806 later on. What is your TP on a GJ sell and buy? So I think did I do the GJ sell? Yeah. So GJ sells over here. For me, at this zone, so at 160, I've still lost a break even, which is about 8 pips, which is fine. So at 10 pips is first TP, which is about here, I'd say. So this would be TP1. Let me just write all these on here. Let's do it on white. This would be TP1. So that is at 10 pips. And then my TP2 will be below this line, which is support. TP2. I'm sorry, 2. There we go. And furthermore, we look left for the big TP3, which is where I have a little tiny run around just for a bit of fun. And this will be all the way down here. I can see support here, I can see support here. This is the next one. So, TP3. And TP3 is here. I'll have a little percentage running, and what it does for me, I don't really care because it's only a little percentage. It actually, what it does in my psychology is it means I have no FOMO if the move flies, because I'm in the move a little bit. So it kind of helps with stuff like that. And then buys over here. Wow, let's have a look. So we've got clean candles again, all the way back up to these tops. I'm trying to see where our closest resistance is over here. And you can see there is one at 685. So you can see what I'm looking at to draw these zones is here. So resistance here, you know, resistance here. When we came up, it didn't just blast off. I had a little resistance. Resistance here. So therefore this is where my line's going to go. So you can see it's not too hard to do this over here. So right here. And yeah, they all match. It's pretty decent. Wow, 60 viewers, amazing. 38 likes, sheesh, before 8, oh it is 8 o'clock now, let's take a look over here. Ooh, we are pushing nicely. So we're coming towards where we kind of want to take some buys over here soon. So 14 minutes over here, let's see if you get a closure. See if you can take a nice delicious buy. So reacting off these levels over here nicely. That close above, damn. Hello GJ. Hello GJ. For me, you can't really get in with these wicks over here. Oh shit. I was lagging a bit there. Yeah, I was. Yeah, 1 second. I think the Wi-Fi is just tripping up a bit. Oh snap! We're coming up over here. So for me, I mean, we could have got in on that closure over here, but for me, kind of we need to wait a bit longer at this point. So 8 o'clock was at this point. 4:15. Yeah, not too bad. Bro, I'm not paying attention, bro. I need the like 8 o'clock. People should have said London Open. 1 second, my Wi-Fi is dying, I think, which is great. Right on the time we actually need to look for trades. Beautiful. So 30-minute over here as well. Let's take a look. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this 50-minute closure at this time. I think we need to chill a bit. Blasting off away. You know, impulses for me are not the way to go at this time. You need to be very, very careful. And it does have 13 minutes at this point. So, wow, 41 likes, amazing. 60 plus views, yes sir. 60 plus views. Yeah, guys. So if you have jumped on the stream here and you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe because we are gonna have a giveaway of 1,000 subscribers. Pretty good. So for me, GJ need to wait a bit longer. Ooh, GU didn't really close above my zone. I'm marked up here. You see. Right, this Wi-Fi is really pissing me off now. Yeah, so GJ is just chilling over here. We need to relax and wait, you know, patiently. If this starts running off here, that's not the way I trade. And getting into buys with an impulse is just quite risky. I probably would have got in here because this got the closure above resistance here to then expect volume to push, but